Hi everyone, this is BB Sangmay and today I am going to discuss about the aesthetic considerations in design. So do subscribe for the latest videos of machine design. Let us discuss about the aesthetic considerations in design. So first of all, let us see what is aesthetic. Each product has a definite purpose. It has to perform specific functions to the satisfaction of customer. The contact between the product and the people arises due to the entire necessity of this functional requirement. For example, there are people in cities who want to go to their office at a distance of 15 km in 15 minutes. So they purchase a car. So the functional requirement of an automobile car is to carry 4 passengers with an average speed of 60 km per hour. So this is the need of the customer. So this need, it is seen that such a functional need or requirement brings the product and the customer together. So when a customer goes to the market, as per his requirement, he wants to purchase the car. He may find the number of cars in his whatever his range of budget, he can get the number of cars with different types of looks. So when there are number of products in the market having the same qualities of efficiency, durability and cost, obviously the customer will be attracted towards the most appealing, means most good looking product. Okay, so aesthetic is concerned with how the things look. It is concerned with beauty, appearance, shape and style of the product. The external appearance is an important feature which do not only gives grace and luster to the product but also dominates the scale in the market. This is particularly true for consumer durables like automobiles, household appliances and audiovisual equipments. The growing realization of the need of aesthetic consideration in product design has given rise to a separate discipline, a separate branch which is called as industrial design. The job of an industrial design engineer is to create new forms, new shapes which are aesthetically attracting, pleasing. For example, the specification of a domestic refrigerator is to preserve vegetables and fruits for a week. There is a housewife in the city who cannot go to the market daily and purchase fresh vegetables. So her requirement is a refrigerator in which she is going to store the vegetables and fruits. But when she will go to the market for the purchase of refrigerator, she will not be knowing of the technical aspects of the refrigerator, means what kind of compressor is there. She is totally while purchasing the refrigerator, she is totally going to check how the refrigerator exactly looks. So therefore she purchases the refrigerator for her requirement, but she will get attracted to the most appealing one. Okay, so in the market she can find the different range of refrigerators, different capacity, different size. Okay, but once she will finalize the size, she is going to find one which one is the good looking or attractive one. Okay, so that it will improve the grace of her kitchen. Okay, so it is seen that such functional requirements bring the product and people together. Aesthetic means beauty, appearance, style and shape. Like in fashion, the outward appearance of the product undergoes many changes over the years. There are 5 basic forms of aesthetic. First is step form, second is sculpture form, third is streamlined form, fourth is shear form and fifth is taper form. The step form is similar to the shape of a skyscraper or a multi-story building. This involves shapes with a vertical accent rather than a horizontal. Here you can see the building. So the step form is totally related with the structure. The structures which have the vertical accent rather than horizontal one. Next is the stream or streamline form. It is seen in automobiles and aeroplane structures, which also improves the performance of the vehicles and aeroplanes, and also it increases the aesthetic appearance of the vehicle and aeroplane. The taper form consists of tapered blocks interlocked with tapered planes and or cylinders. The shear form has a square outlook which is suitable for freestanding engineering products like structures, buildings. The sculpture form consists of ellipsoids, paraboloids and hyperboloids. The sculpture and stream forms are suitable for mobile products like vehicles, while the step and shear forms are suitable for the stationary products like buildings, structures, multi-story buildings. Let us discuss about the guidelines of aesthetic design. There is a relationship between functional requirement and the appearance of the product. In many cases, the functional requirement results in shape which are aesthetically pleasing. Means aerodynamic shape of the vehicle. The aerodynamic shape of the vehicle is the functional requirement which is going to increase the performance with fuel efficiency. Okay. And it will give the aesthetically pleasing look for the vehicle also. The evolution of the streamlined shape of the Boeing is result of studies in aerodynamics for effortless speed. Obviously, we know that the Boeing is the aeroplane which carries near about 200 to 300 passengers in it. Okay, so the functional requirement is it should attain the maximum speed. It should have the somewhat the efficiency word is actually not suitable for the Boeing type of Airbus type of aeroplanes, because it consumes gallons of fuel in a trip. Okay, so the fuel efficiency, to increase the fuel efficiency also aerodynamic shape is required. Also to attain the maximum speed, the aerodynamic shape is also required. So the aerodynamic shape, it improves the performance and also it gives the good aesthetic pleasing look. The aerodynamic shape of the car improves the performance as well as it gives the pleasing appearance, as I have already said. The appearance also reflects the function of the product. The aerodynamic shape of car is the indication of speed. Okay. Also, you may find that various cars and various bikes are there, sports bikes are there, on which chrome plating is provided. Actually, the chromium plating of the automobile component, it increases the corrosion resistance and along with it provides the aesthetic good looking appearance to the product. Okay, so the chromium plating serves the both requirements of performance and aesthetic. Also, in some robust machines are there. Okay, the robust outlook and sound proportion of high capacity hydraulic press are the results of the requirements like rigidity and strength. Okay, so the particular using a heavy component, heavy members in the machine, it gives the rigid and a strengthful look for the particular machine. Okay, so it is also aesthetical parameter that you should use the robust components for the machine, for the particular type of machine, which gives the which is again going to improve the quality of that machine, which is going to give the message that the machine is robust and sturdy one. The appearance should reflect the quality of the product. The appearance should not be at too much of extra cost unless it is the prime requirement. The appearance should be suitable to the environment in which the product is used. The appearance should be achieved by the effective and economical use of the material. Let us discuss about the aspects of aesthetic design. First is the form, which is also called as shape. Second is symmetry. Third is color. Fourth is continuity. Fifth is variety. Sixth is proportion. Seventh is purpose and impression. Eighth is style, contrast, and last one is material and surface finish. Color aspects of aesthetic design. Color is one of the major important factors to the aesthetic appeal of the product, such as creating interest, eliminating eye fatigue, assisting memory, directing attention. Selection of a proper color is an important consideration in product aesthetic. The choice of color should be compatible with the conventional ideas of the operator. Many colors are associated with different moods and conditions. Morgan has suggested the meaning of color as shown below. Let us consider a red color. A red color is the symbol of danger, hazard, temperature. Means it is shown, it is used to represent the things which are hot or which are having high temperature. Orange color, it is the indication of possible danger. Yellow color is indication of caution. Here you can see that yellow color is used to represent the wet floor, to represent the steps. Green color is the symbol of safety. Most of the safety symbols or safety indications are provided by using green color. Blue color is the indication of caution cold, that where the temperature is less in that area, the blue color is used. Gray color indicates the dull things. The dull environment or the dull area will be represented by using gray color. Let us discuss about the symmetry and balance. Symmetry suggests a state of order, but asymmetry can create a greater sense of interest. Both have been used successfully in architecture. Symmetrical arrangement of identical component on a board contributes to the impression or order and tidiness. Means symmetrical things are the symbol of order and tidiness of the particular machine or the structure. The computer system is an example of a functional requirements to lead the use of asymmetrical arrangement. Okay, in the computer system you will get the asymmetrical arrangement. Again, it is going to improve the aesthetic of the particular computer. This create visual attraction. Sometimes symmetry is required, but our symmetry can provide the attractive appearance to the product. Next is the material and surface finish. Obviously, the material and surface finish will also contribute in the aesthetic part of the particular product or machine. The material and surface finish of the product contribute significantly to the appearance. The production of smooth and harder surface is necessary for greater strength, and bearing load is depend upon the property of the material. The materials like stainless steel gives better appearance than the cast iron, plain carbon steel or low alloy steel. Obviously, if the surface will be on the surface, if there will be scratches or irregularities, that will not give the good aesthetic appearance. Also, that will cause to the stress concentration, and it is going to reduce the strength of the component. Okay, so the surface finishes also contributes for the aesthetic look of the product. Also, it is the main reason behind the performance of that or strength of that particular component. Okay, the materials like stainless steel gives better appearance because they provide the lustrous surface than cast iron, because cast iron components are mostly used as cast and in as cast condition. So sometimes they will not give the aesthetically good look. Okay. It was found that the bearing properties, wear qualities and fatigue life of any machine component have a directly related to surface texture. Already I have said that because of the irregularities also present on the surface, because of the crest, stripes or whatever the machining quality, the surface finish or the look of the product is totally depend on the what kind of machining is adopted. Okay, so according to the surface property of the product, again it is going to hamper the bearing properties, the wear quality. As the surface finish goes decreases, the wear increases. Okay, and fatigue life of the machine component. So the surface texture is important part in the performance and also in the aesthetic part of the product. Hence, to increase the life of any machine component subjected to various types of load, the working and non-working surfaces must be very good finished. As I have already said that the surfaces, those who are not well finished, they will be subjected to various types of, or they may the stress concentration can be the cause of these kind of surfaces, those who are not well finished. Okay, and well finished surfaces will provide the good strength, they will also provide the good look. Okay, so that is nothing but the aesthetic look. The component or the product with better surface finish are always aesthetically pleasing. The surface coating processes like spray painting is there, electroplating is there, anodizing is there. So they will greatly enhance the aesthetic appeal of the product also. Let us discuss about the impression and purpose. The product designed with aesthetic not only look nice, but it should also create an impression that it work more efficiently. Aesthetically good looking product or component, it will also look good, and also it gives the message that it will work efficiently. The product should give the impression of the satisfactory performance or purpose. The taper shapes gives the impression of strength, stability. Let us discuss about the contrast. Contrast is a distinction between adjustment elements of the product which have clearly different characteristics and functions. The contrast improves the appearance of the product. The choice of the colors can be particularly important. Already regarding the colors I have discussed in the previous slides. Next is the variety. Variety is particularly important in marketing range of products like refrigerators, fans, stereo systems, vehicles, because the customer needs more and more different types of varieties, different types of the products or the products with different functions. Okay, so the variety is the part, it will be suitable for the consumer products like refrigerators, fans. When the customer will go to the market, he will try to see the more and more types of fans, stereo system, the refrigerator, and he will purchase the one which will be more appealing to him. Okay, and in case of vehicles also. Okay, so as we have seen that the vehicles also having the different ranges, like hatchback vehicles are there, sedan vehicles are there, sports utility vehicles are there. So a wide range of products is available in the vehicle market also, so that the customer, according to the need of the customer, according to the type of customer, the customer may get attracted towards that particular product. Okay, obviously a person which is going to the office daily, he wants to do up down, he will go to buy a car which is fuel efficient one. But a person who is passionate about the speed, thrill, he obviously he will go for the go to purchase a sports car, a sports utility vehicle. Okay, so a wide variety should be provided, particularly in the products which are consumer products like refrigerators, fans, stereo systems and vehicles. Next is the continuity. A product which has a good continuity of elements is aesthetically appealing. Means as we know that machine or the product is the combination of number of parts. So every part should be well connected with each other, so that the continuity should not be disturbed. Otherwise, the product or the machine, it is going to lose its aesthetic, or its look. Continuity is thus associated with the order or tidiness or neatness of the product. For example, a fillet radius at the change of cross section adds the continuity to the product and hence it improves the appearance. Next is the style. Style is visual quality of the product which set it apart from the rest of the functionally identical products. As we know that there are number of products of the same functional requirements will be available in the market, but the every product will have the different style. If you take the example of Maruti Alto 800 or and a second product of the same range, that the Nissan Quid. Okay, so Nissan Quid is having a little bit different type of style comparatively the Maruti products. Okay, a good style with skillful work increases the product attraction. Next is the proportion. Proportion is concerned with the relationship in size between connected components or elements of items. As we know that every machine, every product is the combination of number of parts. So each and every part should be proportionate with each other. Let us take the example of a sports utility vehicle. You can identify or you can observe that in the sports utility vehicle you will observe the wider and larger wheels and tires are there. But if you observe a small hatchback car, in the small hatchback car you will see the small wheels with a small tires. Okay, so those small wheels and tires are actually aesthetically suitable. Also, according to the performance, they are suitable for the small hatchback car. But if you'll try to fit those small wheels and small tires to the large sports utility vehicle, it will not be proportionate. It will not serve the function of sports utility vehicle, because those small wheels and tires are not suitable for the sports utility vehicle, because actually the sports utility vehicle is also called as it is the all-terrain vehicle, where it can be used in any condition of the road. Okay, so proportion is also important criteria in case of aesthetic look. If the things will not be proportionate to each other, it will not give the aesthetic look, proper aesthetic or good look to the particular product or machine. Okay, that's it. Thank you.